In this video, I am going to show you how to change leverage on Bitget. 1. Open the Bitget platform app and navigate to the Advanced Settings section. This is typically found within the account settings. By default, the leverage mode is set to copy margin. This means that the leverage used for copy trading will be determined based on the copy trader's settings. If you wish to change the leverage mode, select either Specified Leverage or Copy Margin in the Advanced Settings. Choosing Specified Leverage means that you manually set the leverage you want to use for your trades. This leverage will be applied to calculate whether your account balance is sufficient for copy trading. And opting for Copy Margin means that the leverage used for copy trading will be the same as the copy trader's leverage settings. Your actual leverage for future trading remains unchanged. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.